Great soundtrack. Oh, that is a long one. So that was holding the post, we're hoping.
So what's in the bottom?
I think it's another screw.
You had to say that, didn't you?
Yeah. Oh, geez. I don't know about turning it upside down.
Well, I was gonna,
Maybe it might be visible from the bottom though.
let me remove this and we'll flop it down. Go down this way.
Maybe just pull it out to the edge and see. Maybe you can see it right from the bottom.
I'm gonna move all this stuff over there.
I would think that. I don't need all this crap on the table.
Yeah, the screw one. We're gonna do. No, let's not put it down. Let me get down. Let me see your light. Oops. Oh shoot.
So this is the bottom screw. Oh yes.
Very lovely baritone voice. We call him the Perry Como of the Badlands.
Who remembers Perry Como?
We would like to down on the floor and sing.
There it is. Are those screws the same though? This one and right there. Yes. Okay.
Matched pair.
Match pair. Oh yes. Yeah. Huh?
Oh, there's a quarter round on the inside. I mean, I can see it.
No, it's made that way. It's
It's
actually.
It's some fancy milling. Okay, you're free.
You got a place to put it?
Fit on the end here. Ooh, this is exciting.
Wow. Huh?
This is exciting. I think you could probably clean up those crumbs on the deck anyway. Where? Yeah, we're gonna need some light on this puppy. Let's go for the extension cord. Oh, I was gonna bring some brushes, like some painter.
I've got some acid brushes. You know that they some little small ones. I've got some of those. Right, I'm bring it from lights.
Well, there's a cobweb.
Somebody got in there.
What's this?
What's that?
It's like a piece of cardboard. Oh, I wonder if that's what he was using. I suppose. Yeah.
For what?
I don't know. For these.
I don't know.
I'll just leave it there for now. Oop.
Oh.
Maybe the spider brought it in.
Oh my goodness. Huh? Oh, I wouldn't dare. Did you dare touch it? Look at the, look at the anchor.
Oh yeah. Oh, how do you do the lettering?
It looks like it's from a typewriter. Would it be from a typewriter? And
yes.
And just paper.
Yeah. Oh gosh, yes. The gloss black paint. Oh, there's a life ring that's fallen off.
Come on, I wonder where it was. Was it here? No. It should have been
Looks like they're attached to the railing.
To the rail. So I say, are we doing this right? This.
Yes, I would say.
go here, and then the sail. See, the sail I think is brass because it's not plastic. I think it's brass.
Oh, that's cool.
Let me.
Looks like it was glued. Looks like they're glued right across the. Well, you know, that one's loose. That sail, the middle sail is loose
Oh, at the top, yeah.
at the top.
Oh, it was metal. Look at this in here. It was metal that it was attached with. It's not string.
Oh, like a fine wire.
Fine wire. She threw that. It was in that. It was in a bunch of old thread, and I said, "That's why I left it there." What am I gonna do for a light? So did we run out of music?
Oh,
Gears from old watches were used to do.
so it's probably some sort of a steam engine. It's supposed to be a steam engine, I thought.
Yeah.
Oh, for the crane.
Yeah, for the crane. That's what it's for. That's right.
And this was probably to raise and lower the anchor. So that
That's
might have
right.
been another steam engine, probably run
That's
off.
right, because it would be less crew. There would be less crew on that than.
Right, could run that probably from the same boiler.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if you could find any stories that talked about how how they ran those.
Oh yeah.
Ran
yeah,
those ships.
There's. I mean, did you ever see Sandcastles? The movie Sandcastles with Richard Crenna and I forget who the captain was. Richard Crenna was the engineer, and he had this lackey that was working with him, and he called it, go downstairs and adjust the valves. I go down and adjust the valves, sir. And they were on a patrol in China, and I forget what the whole, but the name of the movie is Sandcastles, and the engine, the bottom, and the lackey would go down underneath the engine. And I forget what happened, but the engine went around when he was down there and killed him. I mean, that was.
I suppose there's what's the African Queen? He had a little steamboat on.
That's right. I mean,
on the river.
Yeah.